Hello! Today a little project. I'm going to build an automatic bird feeder for my little quails. So, and if you wanna see how I do it, just stay with me. So I've got this plastic jar. This is actually a jar from a peanut butter, but any plastic jar or plastic bottle will do. And I've got this bowl here. And I have already marked with my permanent marker, I have already marked the level from the top of the bowl as an indication. And I also have marked a few holes in here, because the holes for the feeder, for the food, have to be below this line. So, and what I'm going to do now, I will just simply cut some holes. What I'm just doing is to make the edges a little bit smoother. No little plastic pieces sticking up, so the little ones won't pick on it. Let's try it out. So, well, the holes are not super pretty, but if it works how it's supposed to, I'm happy with it. Just most important is there are no sharp edges, so the little ones don't get hurt, but feeling it, it's all good. So the food is coming out, and as they eat it, it will fill in the bowl. So obviously if I would like to get more food coming out, I would do more holes or the holes bigger. But yeah, I can still improve it. Let's have a look if it works and if the birds like it. Hello little ones! So let's take the old feeder out. This is just a simple pot in a bowl, and they're messing around here with it. And let's put the new one in and have a look what's happening. So, they found it straight away. No messing around. Nice and clean. They just get enough food to eat out of the container without the opportunities to get in and and mess around and throw the food out of the bowl. So yeah, it's looking good to me. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And I will have to do something as well about the waterer, because obviously this is too big for the little quails. And they're going in there and messing around and pooping in, so not good. I will have to think about something different, and I will also make a video about it.